India hammered Australia in the Perth Test to kickstart the 5-test Border-Gavaskar series with a thumping win. India thrashed Australia by 295 runs in the first test as the hosts were bowled out for 238 runs after tea on day 4 in their second innings. Earlier, India set a massive target of 534 runs for the hosts to chase after centuries from Virat Kohli and Yashasvi Jaiswal. Australia's batting failed, barring Travis Head, who made a gritty 89, while Mitchell Marsh chipped in with 47 runs. Stand-in skipper Jasprit Bumrah, who claimed 8 wickets in the match, was named player of the match. Obviously a special win, my first win as captain. I am very happy with that and more happy with the performance of the team. We were put under pressure and showed character. We are a new side, so I wanted to put myself in tough scenarios when we needed to do something to make the job a bit easier for the new guys. Captain Pat Cummins said Australia were well off the mark in Perth and have plenty to work on before the second test. It hurts. When a team declares on you, it's never an amazing feeling. The biggest challenge and the most important thing is how do you bounce back? We are clearly well off the mark. There's a lot to work on. It was remarkable turnaround for India after they were dismissed for 150 runs in the first innings, but the Australian batsmen slumped to 104 all out. The series moves to Adelaide for the second test starting on December 6th. Sports Desk, DD India.
Okay, while there is good news, there's bad news also. India's D. Gukesh lost to reigning champion China's Ding Liren in the first round of the FIDE World Chess Championship 2024 in Singapore on Monday. Gukesh, who had the white in this round, squandered time advantage to eventually lose the first round. The youngster World Championship challenger Gukesh will have the dark pieces in the second round on Tuesday. And that's all in this edition of DD India News Hour. But do let us know your thoughts on the news of the day. For those on the go, can get all the latest news and updates from India and across the world on DD India's mobile app. The app is available both on iOS and Android platforms. Scan the QR codes you see on your screens to download. We'll be back with more news as it breaks here.
And overall, like sweet, like the name of the organization from Ukrainian means world, and our like team motto and like organization motto is bring light into the people's worlds. So by our application, by enhancing
पर चर्चा उससे किसी को एतराज हो सकता है, लेकिन चर्चा भी नियम के तहत संसद में होगी ना। पर आज के लिए इतना ही, इजाजत दीजिए, नमस्कार।
दो टूक के प्रायोजक थे, बढ़िया है, शुद्ध है, MDH मिर्ची धनिया हल्दी, असली मसाले सच, MDH MDH।
झूठ से भी खतरनाक होता है अधूरा सच, और वैसे ही खतरनाक होती है अधूरी खबर, क्योंकि हर खबर के साथ जुड़ा होता है उसका इतिहास, वर्तमान और भविष्य। देखिए हर बड़ी खबर जिसमें होगा तथ्य, तर्क और सबूत,
देखिए पूरा सच प्रखर श्रीवास्तव के साथ।